What's good, y'all? Ranger Rex here, and I'm back with another video, man. Today we got the Subi, and we are installing a brand new part from Japan. I'm so excited. This is the first install, I guess, to the car. We don't got really nothing else really done to the car besides this cover, but I had that from a previous WRX. But this is cool. This is from Japan. Like I said, let's open this box up and let's get straight to the install. Oh shit. Let's see. Oh. What the hell is this? It gave me a box inside another box. Dang. They got that thing like super glue. Oh, there it is. See a whole bunch of Japanese writing.
God damn.
Oh, I see a whole bunch of beautifulness right here. Yo, this is so fresh. Look at that, bro. That's how it looks. That shit, bro. It's so tough. Alright, hold on. For the unboxing. Ooh, it's low-key got weight to it too. Hold on.
Oh, it's like heavy?
Yeah, it's like low-key got some weight to it. Ooh, this is some good quality shit. Ooh, that's so tough. Jeez.
That's just clean, man.
That's crazy.
You gotta put it under you gotta put it under the light though. You gotta put it under the light real quick.
Yeah, we gotta put it under the. Sheesh.
That's crazy.
That's wild. It's gonna go right about here. Line that daddy up. It's gonna go right there.
So what is it?
So right now we are putting in these little hose clips for when you install it. Right here, you got a couple clips there that we gotta unclip. So honestly, as you guys can see from the writing, it is literally it's not in English. So, but it's all good because, dude, this is crazy. This is my first, like I said, this is my first like JDM authentic part. Like I'm installing on any car I've ever owned, so you gotta bear with me. This is crazy. Like I said, zero sports. This is the cover of it, but you guys can tell. I mean, this is, you know, this is some metal. This is cool, but to have this wrinkle black with the wrinkle red intake manifold cover is like next level. And you know, once I start getting more parts on the car, it's gonna be, you know, a lot more cooler to look at the engine cover. I definitely want to like make my engine cover look, you know, really dope. So this is definitely step one into making this. So I got clip C together. We gotta get clip A and B. Let's see. Clip A looks like it goes this way. The small clip looks like it's like that. So okay, so we got that part in, and then this one at the bottom looks like it's the little one this way. And if we clip it, she's in there. So we got the clips all together. So now we gotta unbolt these. I think these are like I think this is a 12. Yeah, I think it's a little 12. We gotta get a little 12 in.
Pop your shit, twin.
Yes, sir. Okay, so we're about to do this, but I just want to give a huge shout out real quick. The person who bought this part is actually standing next to me. I just want to give her a quick shout out.
No, not.
Yeah, that girl right there. She done bought me my first JDM part. So Appreciate you, babes. And let's go ahead and get this install going. We're gonna go ahead and pull these right here. You're gonna reveal the 10 bolt right here, 10 bolt right here, and 10 bolt right here, as instructed on the. Oh, hold on, that's a 12 bit out. Just kidding, that's a 12. We'll have to get that one. We already went and installed everything together. It's the two bolts right there, the 10 millimeters and the 12. Honestly, once I got everything out the way and everything loose, I put the 12 in first, line this up. Once you line this 12 up, everything kind of perfectly fits smoothly. So once you line this 12 up like right here, yeah. So once you line that one up, everything lines up smoothly, like I said. Then you gotta get this 10 right here that's loose. But as you guys can see just how this looks, the look is like, well, 10 times better, honestly, for my opinion. You know, next time I want to get this intercooler, you know, somewhat either blacked out or, you know, get a different one. But just off of how the Zero Sports looks and how the wrinkle red looks next to it, it's already looking flawlessly. And once I get my actual rest of my parts in here, it's gonna be looking amazing. So like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Big things are coming my way. I'm actually got a surprise coming up for you guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Like I said, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram @RagerWRX, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. Peace.